Good morning, students. Hello, good morning, students. Some delay because some electricity problem. Right now, we discuss chapter number 2, polynomial, exercise 2.5. On Saturday class, you maybe solve remaining part of exercise 2.4, question number 5. So now we discuss exercise 2.5, algebraic identities. So some algebraic identities you already studied in the previous class. So first we discuss some algebraic identities we discussed in previous class. So everyone write down the all identities and learn all the identities. Without learning, without any type of learning, you can't do anything in exercise 2.5. So many algebraic identities here. So everyone write down in your notebook. Second thing is everyone do your homework in fair notebook. Chapter 1 and chapter 2 already completed. So chapter 1 already completed, you complete in your fair notebook, and exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 you completed in your fair notebook. Now exercise 2.5, algebraic identities. You already studied a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's your first identity. You already studied in 8th class. Now next one, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2ab. Okay, now one identities, second, third. You already studied a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Third identities you is related your 8th class. These identities already you studied in 8th class. Fourth, x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square a plus b into x plus ab. All four identities related your 8th class syllabus. It's not new for you, so easily you can learn. Now we discuss some new identities. One is a plus b whole cube. All four identities you already studied in 8th class. Now we discuss new identities for 9th class. Listen, all identities, if you not learn, then you definitely facing some problem in the upcoming classes in 10th class, 11th class and 12th class. So please concentrate on the all identities and learn all the identities. A plus b whole cube, it's a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and bracket a plus b. It's your fifth identity. It's a new identities for this class. Now a minus b whole cube. Sixth identity is a minus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube minus 3ab, a plus b. Sorry, a minus b. This is your sixth identities for this 9th class. Now, seventh, a plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2ab, नीचे लिख रहा हूं 2bc and 2ac. seventh identity, a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. Now eighth identities. All students write down. I want to some large space for the next identity. So please write down first, then tell them another identity. Yes, any problem, I think. Everyone write down so I can ref the board. Raise your hands if you write down. Only Priyansi can write down. Okay. Now, next identity 8, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. X cube, y cube, z cube minus 3xyz. How we can write this identity? So we can take x plus y plus z in the bracket, x plus y plus z. Now x square, y square, z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Next identity for you. Ninth, x cube plus y cube. So identities is x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Now 10th identity, x cube minus y cube, x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. All 10 identities write down and learn in a proper method. Without identities, you can't do anything in this exercise. So I request all of the students, please learn all the identities for this exercise. And this exercise, very most important exercise for your upcoming classes. In 10th, these identities used in 10th class, 11th and 12th class. So please learn. Now, after the all identities, we start our exercise 2.5, question number 1. I think you write down all the identities, you learn properly, everyone. Now, question number 1, exercise 2.5. So question number 1 is using suitable identities to find the following products. Using suitable identities, you find the following products. First one is, we discuss A and B part here. First part, x plus 4, x plus 10. Yes. First you check which identities we can use here. This one is x, this one is A, this one is x, this one is B. So we check it first, which we can use identity here. So x plus A, x plus B, you know very well, x plus A, x plus B is equal to x square plus AB into x plus AB. Okay, now our question is x plus 4, x plus 10 Now put the values x square, because on the place of x is x. Now a is 4, b is 10, and x 4 into 10. So x square plus 14x plus 40. Understand? Raise your hands if you understand these identities. This part you understand, raise your hands fastly. Okay. Now, question number first, part B, x plus 8, x minus 10. X plus 8, x minus 10. Here, some student facing some problem, they forget the minus sign. So, this value is not only 10, this is a minus 10 for B. Value of B is minus 10. So, identity is x plus A, x plus B. Listen one thing, everyone write down identities before solving these questions. For example, if you done this question, do this question, so write down first identity, which identity is used here. After that, you solve the question. So in fair notebook, if you do homework, so first write down the identities in each and every question. Without identities, you can't do. If you write down identities again and again, you automatically can learn identities. Now, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now put x plus 8, x minus 10. आप लोगों को एक चीज ध्यान में रखनी है, यहाँ पे अगर -10 रखा है, लिखा है, अगर माइनस की वैल्यू है तो आप वहां पर माइनस ही लेकर आओगे, माइनस ही पुट करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स स्क्वायर, a is 8, b not 10, write down b minus 10. Now x 8 into minus 10, solve it, x square 10 minus 8 minus 2x minus 80. This is your answer. Now we discuss question number 1, third part. I can rub the board, raise your hands. Now, question number 1, part C. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Identities is x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now question is 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5, put here. On the place of x, which value take? 3x. So 3x square, here 4 minus 5 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5. Now solve it, 9x square, because square, so 3 square is 9 and x square is x square. Minus 1, 4 minus 5 minus 1, so we multiply minus 3x minus 20. This is your answer. So fourth and fifth part, everyone do D and E part, question number 1. It's your homework, so do yourself. Now we discuss question number 2. Now we discuss question number 2. Evaluate the following product without multiplying directly. Evaluate द फ्लोइंग प्रोडक्ट विदाउट मल्टीप्लाइंग, आपको दिया है 103 मल्टीप्लाई 107, आपको इसको सोल्व करना है बिना मल्टीप्लाई के, विदाउट मल्टीप्लाई, डायरेक्टली. सो फर्स्ट आई कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, I can write 100 plus 3 and this one is 100 plus 7. 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7. Now we know the identities x plus a, x plus b, or I can say I can solve by the help of identities. So our identities is x square. So x means 100. A plus b 3 plus 10 into x, x means 100. Now a b 3 multiply 7. So 100 square is 0 0 0. Now solve it. 7 3 10, 1000. 7 3 are 21. Now add all the values. 11,021. Okay. Similarly, you can do 95 into 96. You do yourself. So I can write 100 minus 5 or 100 minus 4. Otherwise, you can write 90 plus 5, 90 plus 4, 90 plus 6, no problem. So you can do, okay. Similarly, 104 and 96. 104 and 96. B part do yourself. We discuss C part. 104 multiply 96. So here we use different identities. 104 is 100 plus 4 and 96 I can write 100 minus 4. So concentrate on this question, on this expression x plus a, x minus b. So you can use that, you can use x plus a, x plus b identities. But one more identities I can use, a plus b, a minus b. I can use a plus b, a minus b. So I can write a square minus b square. Listen, on the place of a 100, on the place of b 4, on the place of a 100, and on the place of b 4. But plus and minus. So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square. So 100 plus 4, 100 minus 4, I can write 100 square minus 4 square. So answer is 10,000 minus 16. So 9984 is your answer. Okay. Raise your hands if you understand all the first and second question. How many students understand first and second question? Raise your hands, please. Some student, okay, almost. Now we discuss question number 3. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. Factorize the following. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. इस क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से देखना. आप लोगों ने जो क्वेश्चन सोल्व किए हैं वहां पर 8th क्लास में आपने सीधी डायरेक्ट आइडेंटिटीज यूज करी है कि जैसे आपको मिल गया कि 3x plus 5 होल स्क्वायर, बट यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी आइडेंटिटीज को सोल्व करके दिया हुआ है, तो आप इसको कैसे फैक्टराइज करोगे? सो ये ध्यान से देखो, इसको कैसे करेंगे. 9x स्क्वायर है, सो आई कैन राइट 3x स्क्वायर, यस और नो. देखो इस वैल्यू को मैं क्या ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ? रेज योर हैंड्स अगर लिख सकता हूँ तो. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट नो दिस? आई कैन राइट और नॉट? आई कैन राइट बिकॉज 3 का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया 9 और x का स्क्वायर क्या हो गया x स्क्वायर. सो आई कैन राइट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. In next one, how this one I can write 2 into 3x into y. फैक्टर कर सकता हूं ऐसे, बना तो ये ना 6y(xy), लिख सकता हूं 2 3x एंड y, और लास्ट वन क्या है y²। अब देखो ध्यान से, ये हो गया आपका a² और ये हो गया आपका b², और ये क्या हो गया 2ab। आइडेंटिटी पता चली अब कौन सी है, देखो ये हुआ आपका a², ये हुआ आपका b², ये 2ab। सो आइडेंटिटी पता चल गई कौन सी है, और यहां पे देखो क्या आया है, प्लस आया है, प्लस 2ab। इट मींस प्लस आएगा तो a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर, तो इसका क्या आंसर आ जाएगा 3x प्लस वाई का होल स्क्वायर, यानी a प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर। अब ये बताओ, वो बच्चे की जिनको समझ में नहीं आया वो हाथ ऊपर करो, रेज योर हैंड्स, उनको हाथ ऊपर करना जिनको समझ में नहीं आया। ओनली 3 स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीति, दक्ष एंड साक्षी। No problem. In the next part, I can clear your doubts. Part B. In part B, I can clear your doubts. Part B is 4y square minus 4y plus 1. 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Concentrate please on the board. Listen, I can write this 2 square and y square. 4 को मैं 2 square लिख सकता हूँ या नहीं लिख सकता? Yes or no? लिख सकता हूँ, तो मैं इस पूरे को I can write 2y square. I can write 2 square means 4 and y means y square. Minus I can write this value 2 into 2y into 1. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, minus 4y तो हुआ, and I can write 1 square. Yes or no? 4y स्क्वायर को हम लिख सकते हैं 2y स्क्वायर, और 4y को अगर ब्रेक करके लिखूं तो 2 into 2y 1 और इसको 1 स्क्वायर। तो देखो ये हुआ आपका a स्क्वायर और ये हुआ आपका b स्क्वायर एंड 2, और ये a और ये b, 2ab। और यहां पे अगर आप साइन देखते हो तो -2ab आया है, तो यानी कि ये a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर की आइडेंटिटी हो चुकी है। किसकी आइडेंटिटी होगी, a माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर। तो इसको मैं क्या लिख सकता हूं, 2y, a ऑन द प्लेस ऑफ a, 2y माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर। तो फैक्टर क्या हो गया, 2 माइनस वाई 1 का होल स्क्वायर। बुक में हो सकता है आप ऐसे भी लिख के दे देते, कोई प्रॉब्लम वाली बात नहीं है, इसका मतलब भी सेम ही होता है। ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? रेज योर हैंड्स इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन। Okay, very good. Now C part, we discuss C part now. C part is x square minus y square upon 100. Only 2 terms here. Do first you, then I tell the answer on the board. Okay, now 2 terms only here. So I can write x square and this value I can write y upon 10 square. कैसे लिख सकते हो, देखो ये x स्क्वायर था, y स्क्वायर का y स्क्वायर, 100 को मैं लिख सकता हूं 10 स्क्वायर। 100 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 10 स्क्वायर। 10 स्क्वायर का मतलब भी क्या होता है, 100 ही होता है। y स्क्वायर ओके, और 10 स्क्वायर का मतलब भी क्या होता है, 100 ही होता है। Understand? Now this one is a square and this one is b square. A square minus b square, a square minus b square. So x plus, तो आइडेंटिटी a square minus b square क्या होती है, a plus b and a minus b, यही होती है आइडेंटिटी। Now given is x square minus y upon 10 square. So I can write x plus y upon 10 and x minus y upon 10. This is your factor. Understand? Raise your hands if you understand. How many students understand this part? Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can ask your queries. Okay, now we discuss question number 4. Question number 4. Expand each of the following using suitable identities. आपको जो नीचे गिवन है उसको सुटेबल आइडेंटिटीज की हेल्प से एक्सपेंड करो. एक्सपेंड का मतलब उसको पूरी आइडेंटिटीज आपको यूज करनी है. आपको गिवन है x प्लस 2y प्लस 4z का स्क्वायर, x प्लस 2y प्लस 4z होल स्क्वायर. This one is a, this one is b, and this one is c. So already I tell the identities a plus b plus c का whole square. This one is a, this one is b, this one is c. So already tell in the starting of class a plus b plus c का whole square identities. So first I can write the identities. A plus b plus c is whole square, a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. This is your identities. Okay, now in the question, on the a place of a we have x, on the b place we have 2y, on the place of c we have 4z. Okay, on the place of a we have x, on the place of b we have 2y, and on the place of c 4z. So now use identities on this question. X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Now on the place of a, what is the value? X. So I can write x square. Okay students, now the b square means on the place of b is 2y. So 2y whole square. Okay, now c means 4z. So I can write 4z square. Okay, now plus 2ab. 2 on the place of a is x, on the place of b is 2y. Now 2bc, 2bc. So b is 2y and c is 4z. Okay, and write down here 2ac, a on the place x and y is 4z. Only values put in the identities. Now solve it. X square, 2y square, I can write 4y square because 2 का square क्या होता है 4 और y का square y square. ये 4z, 4 का square 16, z का z square. Okay, solve this. 2 to the 4 and xy, so 4xy. Multiply 4 to the 8 or 2 the 16 yz and 4 to the 8xz. This is your answer. Understand? Raise your hands if you understand this question, these identities. Fastly. Okay. Now, question number 4, B part. 2x minus y plus z whole square. Similarly, relate this question. A की जगह क्या आया उसमें 2x, b की जगह पर आप क्या लोगे -y. मैं आप लोगों को फिर रिपीट कर देता हूं. b की जगह आपको लेना है -y. c की प्लेस पे कर क्या लेना है आपको z लेना है. ओके, so similarly you can do 1, 2, 3 and 4th part, 5th part, 6th. You try in your home all the part first. We discuss tomorrow part number 5th and 6th. It's your homework. You can do in your home 2, 3 and 4. Question number 4, part 2, part 3, part 4. Everyone do in your home. Again I repeat, everyone do part 2, part 3 and part 4. Tomorrow in the starting of class, I'm asking part 2, 3, 4, you done? If answer is wrong, you can tell me. Understand? Okay, understand? Now, give you a question now today for homework. Write down your rough notebook, everyone, and solve it. Each and every question, write down a homework question. Factorize. Related this question, exercise 2.4. Factorize. X cube minus 7x square minus 40x minus 100. This is your homework for you. Do factorize. I tell how we can do. First we factorize this 1, 2, 5, 10, 100, 20. Yes or no? In the Saturday class, maybe person sir you tell, again repeat this question. So you can do this question. I want to check how many students get the correct answer. So answer I tell you on tomorrow starting of the class. So don't miss the tomorrow class. In starting I tell the answer. Everyone solve this question. Only one question today I give. You performing in your home. Okay? Everyone perform it. So we discuss next questions on tomorrow. Thank you very much.